Hi everyone. So this is your RP sir. We are back with these practice questions of this general aptitude or quantitative aptitude, you can say. And every topic we are discussing 20 questions now. Now, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Whenever you are subscribing to the plus iconic and light courses, use the referral code RP Civil, right? What is the referral code you have to use always? Use the referral code RP Civil, right? And this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and in the description of this video you can find my profile, right? And this is my referral code RP Civil you have to use, right? And these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform. And a very wonderful announcement, guys, everyone. On 25th September at 11 a.m., right? On 25th September at 11 a.m., there is a huge scholarship is going to happen, that Unacademy and GATE Academy merger combat, right? 60 minutes time will be there, so don't miss this, everyone. So 30 crore worth prizes will be available for the learners, right? So RP Civil is the referral code or enrollment code you have to use, all of you, right? Coming to this, it is the biggest ever scholarship test, you can say, right? 30 crore worth prizes will be getting registered, right? 3,000 top rankers will be getting their GATE 2023 registration fees vapas, and the top rankers will get which one? This is a 1-year college tuition fees which will be sponsored by Unacademy, right? So, and apart from that, will be getting the gifts like MacBook, iPhone, Dell laptop, Samsung mobile, Amazon vouchers for top participants, right? So enroll for this, and what is that enrollment code you have to use, all of you? RP Civil is the enrollment code you have to use, everyone. Now, so use the enrollment code RP Civil. So this top 500 lucky participants will be getting these Amazon gift vouchers, right? And you can get the college fees vapas or refund by Unacademy up to 1 lakh rupees per each and every person, you can say, right? So don't miss this opportunity. So these are the prizes you will be getting for various rankers, right? These are the prizes you will be getting for what? Various rankers from this Unacademy test, right? And these branches it will be going to be conducted, right? Mechanical, chemical, CSIT, civil, electrical, ECE, right? These are all the branches it will be conducted. If you just observe, you can say yes. Now these are all the syllabus, right? Mechanical, which topics are to be studied, right? Not the entire syllabus you need to study. If you study these topics or these subjects, it is sufficient, right? So chemical, CSIT, right? Like that. So what is that referral code or enrollment code you have to use for everything? RP Civil, right? So civil syllabus is this one, electrical syllabus, ECE syllabus, right? What is that enrollment code you have to use, everyone? RP Civil is the enrollment code you have to use, right? And now those who are unable to pay the entire fee at a time, Unacademy has given this opportunity of no cost EMI, right? That no cost EMI option is available, everyone. So don't miss this, all of you. And this distance learning program is also there. It is called as Unacademy Lite subscription, right? Unacademy Plus, Unacademy Iconic, and what is the third type of subscription? Unacademy Lite subscription. It is only regarding this distance learning program, if we just observe, right? These are all the features of this distance learning program, right? Now, September 1st, this was the new batch started. KP sir was started with fluid mechanics, and whenever you are enrolling for this, use the referral code RP Civil, right? And myself will be going to start, right, on September 22nd. Myself will be going to start which one? This is one more batch, that is vision batch for this GATE and ESE 2024 at 3 p.m. with a strength of material subject, right? So what is that referral code you have to use, all of you? RP Civil is a referral code you have to use every time, okay? Don't miss this opportunity, all of you. And Iconic students will be having this exclusive Iconic test series, and GATE is less than 6 months time available for GATE. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Start preparing for GATE by subscribing to the Plus, Iconic, or Lite subscription, right? Whichever it is suitable for you. And when you are taking that Iconic subscription, these are all the advantages, right? 1:1 live mentorship session will be there. Every month 2 sessions will be having, right? So these are all the features of these sessions, you can say. And these are all which one? This Iconic and Plus subscription differences and similarities, right? Whichever is suitable for you, try to select it, absolutely, right? And now at present, which Plus courses are going on? The general aptitude up to this 20th September it will go on, and course on the strength of materials will be upcoming. 22nd September to 5th December it will be there, and 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. every day the classes will be there, right? Sunday holiday. And complete course on this general aptitude part 2 it is going on, that is analytical and spatial aptitude part, it is going on. Every day the class timing will be 8:15 to this 9:15 p.m. Monday to Saturday you will be having. So these are all the free courses, right? We have just paused these courses and we are doing this mini course on this engineering drawing, and every day 9:35 p.m. to this 10:35 p.m. in our special classes, right? After this is over we'll be resuming those PYQ sessions, everyone, right? Now, so this was a lecture 5, and in the lecture 5 24 questions were there, and this lecture 6 actually it was missed now, it went into private now, so that we are re-recording. So 21st September it will be published, and ratio, proportion and variation questions, right? And coming to this 25th question, if you just observe. So what is this question? You can see here, everyone. In a bag there are coins of 25 pies, 10 pies and 5 pies, right? Which coins are there? 25 pies coins are there, 10 pies coins are there, and 5 pies coins are there, if you just observe, right? And what is it given? You can see, if you just observe, they are in the ratio of this 1:2:3. If there are 30 in all, total coins are how much? You can say 30 coins, right? Then how many 5 pies coins are there, right? If you just observe, so what is it? You can say that a 25 pies coins, if you are taking them as x, right? Because 1:2:3 na, and 10 pies coins, how can you take, right? 2 times x, 2 ratio is there, means 2 times x, right? Then 5 pies coins, how much? You can say 3 ratio means 3x, right? Then what is it given? We have that total 25 coins plus 10 pies coins plus this 5 pies coins, total together it will be 13 number available, right? Then how many 5 pies coins are available, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x will be equal to 30. Then so what is that? X, you can say x is nothing but your which one? X is not, sorry, this is 300, right? Not 30, 300. So this is 300. So x is equal to which one? This is 50, you can say, right? Total 300 coins are there, right? Then what is that? 5 pies coins, if you just observe, 5 pies coins are nothing but your 3x na. So 3 into 50 will be equal to how much? 150 number of coins are there, right? 150 number of 5 pies coins are present in that bag, if you just observe, right? So we'll be moving on to the next question. And here question number 26, if you just observe, what is it given? Seats for mathematics, physics and biology in a school are in the ratio of 5:7:8, right? So they are in which ratio, if you just observe? Mathematics, physics and biology, right? M:P:B will be equal to how much given? That is your 5:7:8 na. This is a ratio. So there is a proposal to increase the seats by 40%, 50% and 75% respectively. So बोले तो क्या? मैथमेटिक्स सीट को 40% इंक्रीज करने के प्रपोजल है, फिजिक्स सीट को 50% एंड बायोलॉजी सीट को 75% इंक्रीज करने का प्रपोजल है, राइट? बट पहला वाला इफ यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, बिफोर इंक्रीज व्हाट इज इट? यू कैन से m is equal to that 5x and p is equal to which one? This is 7x and this biology b will be equal to that 8x, right? So increase करने के पहले वो, and increase करने के बाद means after increase what happens? If you just observe, after increase what is that? You can say, if you just observe that m dash, right? M has changed to m dash or m1, you can say m dash or this m1, if you just observe it. What is that? 40% increase करने का proposal है ना. So 1.4 times which one? This is 5x, right? It is equal to that 7x, right? And second one, physics wala, p dash is equal to that p2, right? P dash is equal to that p1 is equal to p dash, and this or you can also call it as this p1, if you just observe it. 50% increase करने के योजना है ना. So 1.5 times this is 7x, right? How much it comes to be? That is your 10.5x, right? And biology वालों को 75% increase करने के लिए proposal है ना. So 1.75 times which one? This 8x, right? How much it comes to be? That comes to be this 14x, right? So what will be the ratio of this increased seats, right? You are asked to identify which one? This ratio of this increased seats, right? What is that new ratio, if you just observe? increased seats, right? It is not the increased value, it is a total value, final value, right? What is that new ratio? If you just observe, 7x east, 10.5x east, which one? This is a 14x, right? What is that? You can say 7 east, 10.5 east and 14, right? But is there any option with that? No option is there, right? So if you just observe it here, if you just say you divide everything by 3.5, right? What it comes to be? 7 by this 3.5 east, 10.5 by this 3.5 east, which one? This 14 by this 3.5, right? What it comes to be? 7 by 3.5 is 2 and 10.5 by 3.5 is 3 and 14 by 3.5 is 4, right? 2 is to 3 is to 4. Option A will be the correct option, right? That is what you can say. Now question number 27 देखे तो क्या होगा? Question number 27 देखो तो क्या होगा? Right, here if you just observe this question number 27, if you just observe this question number 27, what is that? You can say the amount of 2430 is divided among A, B and C such that if their shares are reduced by this 5, 10 and 15 respectively, right? This amount is, if the remainders shall be in the ratio of this 3, 4, 5, right? If you are reducing their shares by 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 15 rupees for A, B and C respectively, then the remaining values will be in this ratio, right? Then the B's share will be, right? What is that? You can say if you just observe new shares. If you consider this a new shares, right? What is that? A new shares, you can say everyone. New shares, or before we go into the new shares, first if we just see these old shares, right? Old shares कौन सा ratio में रहा है वो? Old ratios, old shares are in which ratio? If you just observe, let us say that is A we are giving X and B we are giving which one? This Y, and C we are giving which one? This C we are giving which one? This is Z, if you just observe, right? So what is that old shares? If you just observe, old shares X plus Y plus Z comes to be how much? 2430, right? This is equation number 1, because this is given a total amount is this much. And what is that? A new shares, if you just observe, you can say what are the new shares, everyone, right? New shares will be, so X share is reduced by 5 na, so X minus 5 is, right? Y share is reduced by 10 rupees na, so Y minus 10 is, and Z share is reduced by this 15 na, 15 rupees, right? Z minus 15 is equal to the new ratio comes to be that 3, 4 and 5, right? If you just simplify it, right? How can we simplify it? You can say it's number 1, 2 and this is your page number 3. So how can you simplify them? If you just observe, right? Everything you convert, right? You are asked to identify this B share na, so everything you convert in the form of Y, right? That would be better na. Everything you convert in the form of Y, right? That would be better, right? So first you write X minus 5 by X minus 5 by this Y minus 10 will be equal to 3 by 4. This implies 4 into X is 4X minus 4 into 5 is 20 equal to that 3 into Y 3Y minus 3 into 10 is 30, it comes to be, right? So then what is that value? You can get it that X equal to how much? That X equal to how much you will be getting, everyone? That X equal to how much you will be getting? Or 4X if you just observe it, that is your 3Y minus, right? This is minus 30, that minus 20 will go to that side, it will become plus 20, right? Minus 30 plus 20, how much it will become? Minus 10, right? So this implies what is that Y X value in terms of this Y? 3 by 4 times this Y minus this 10 by 4, right? This is which one? This equation number 2, okay? And similarly Z also, if you write in terms of this Y, because B share is asked na, so we will get Y directly, right? So 4 is to 5 now, that is your Y minus 10 by that Z minus 15, it comes to be how much? 4 is to 5, right? That is your 4 by 5, right? If you simplify this, so that is your 5 times ZY minus 50 is equal to 4 times ZZ minus this 4 15s are which one? This is 60, you can say, right? Then how can you get this finally? 5Y, right? So this 5Y or we'll write in terms of this Z only, that is your 4Z will be equal to that 5Y plus which one? This 10, right? Because this minus 60 will go that side, it will become plus 60. Plus 60 minus 50, right? How much it will become? Plus 10 it will become now. Therefore what is that? Z it comes to be, that is your 5 by 4 times this y plus this 10 by 4, right? This is equation number 3. And if you substitute this 1 2 3, right? 1 2 and 3 equations, if you just simplify, right? What is the x? You can say x we can substitute it as 3 by 4 times this y minus this 10 by 4, right? This is your x value. And y value क्या है? Y as it is we keep it, right? Z value क्या होता है? 5 by 4 times this y plus this 10 by 4 होगा. So पूरा मिलके इतना 2430 होगा ना, 2430 होगा, right? So this minus 10 by 4, this plus 10 by 4 cancel होगा, right? Is not. This is your which one? This total how much it comes to be, everyone, if you just simplify. This is your 5y by 4 plus this 3y by 4, right? So 8y by 4 na. So that is your 8y by 4 plus y is equal to that 2430, right? 8y by 4 is nothing but your 2 na. 2y plus y is nothing but your 3y. 3y is equal to that 2430. Therefore, what was the B's share? B's share was what? B's share was how much? Y is equal to how much? That is your 2430 divided by this 3. It comes to be 810 rupees, right? So how much is the share of this B? 810 rupees, if you just say, right? Fourth slide, and this is your fifth slide, right? 810 rupees, right? Konsa option? 810 rupees. Option B, option D will be the correct option, huh? Yes, absolutely, option D will be the correct option, you can say, right? Now coming to this, that 28th question, if you just observe, right? 28th question, right? आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन इस पार्ट में 29th क्वेश्चन से पार्ट 7 में मिलेगा, इस ना, राइट? पार्ट 7 ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. नाउ क्या दिया उन्होंने? ए सम ऑफ 53 इज डिवाइडेड अमॉन्ग दिस ए बी सी, राइट? टोटल हमारे पास कितना रुपया है? 53 रुपये, एंड हम ए बी एंड सी पर डिवाइड कर रहे हैं सच ए वे दैट ए गेट्स 7 rupees मोर देन व्हाट बी गेट्स. बोले तो A equal to B plus 7 na, compared to B, that A wala getting 7 rupees more na, and more than what B gets, and B gets 8 rupees more than what C gets, right? So क्या होगा इससे? B equal to that C plus 8 होगा ना, C plus 8 होगा. Then the ratio of their shares is, right? You are asked to identify the ratio of their shares, if you just observe, right? So what is that? A plus B plus C comes to be, A plus B plus C comes to be 53. A plus B plus C comes to be 53, if you just observe, right? What is that? You can say everything you substitute in terms of this single. In which one you will substitute? That A equal to B plus 7. B is already known as C na. C plus 8 plus 7, right? क्या होगा ये को? This implies A will be equal to that C plus 15 होगा ना, C plus 15 होगा, right? B equal to C plus 18, right? पूरा C पर लिख कर रहे हैं हम. So A को C plus 15 जैसे लिख रहे हैं, and B को, B how will you write? That C plus 8, and what is it? Plus C if you just observe, that is equal to 53. So 3C is equal to which one? This is 53 minus 15 minus 8, if you just observe, right? So this implies what is that C value, you can say? This implies that 3C will be equal to that 30, then that is C will be equal to that 10, if you just say, right? C equal to 10, right? When C equal to 10 bole to what is that? A equal to C plus 15 na. C plus 15 means 10 plus 15 equal to that 25 होगा ना, A value. और B value क्या होगा? C plus 8, right? Means 10 plus 8 equal to that 18 होगा ना. Then what is that ratio asked in the question, if you just observe? Ratio is equal to that A is to B is to C, right? How much? A will be getting that 25 rupees and B will be getting that 18 rupees. 25 is to 18 is, and C will be getting this 10 rupees, right? Is there any ratio 25 is to 18 is to 10? Yes, option B will be the correct option, you can say, right? Like that. So this is how we are having the questions, right? Question 29 onwards, they will be available in the part 7. Okay, thank you, have a good day, bye bye.